So, new day, new sourcing, just logged in into Arbitrage Stalker. I'm literally on my bed, right? Still in Tokyo. I'm going to show you with my son doing knocks in the back. I'm literally going to show you I'm going to do my sourcing today. Alright, so still with the same account that we set up a couple of days ago. Okay, really, really easy. We're just going to go look at the new product. So it's still the 23rd in the States, right? So um, we literally have one, two, three, four, five, six products, six new products. And I really want to look at this one because we looked at Gap products a couple of days back. I don't know if you remember from Gap Factory when we started sourcing from the target list. And I'm just going to go straight into gapfactory.com, to be honest. Gap Factory, boom, gapfactory.com. We're going to go straight into this. And um, we're going to try to see if we can find that specific hoodie, right? So let's go about it. Women, right? We're going to look at the women's stuff. And is it the zip up? No, it's a regular hoodie. So let's go straight into the regular hoodies. Um, where are they? Where are they? Regular hoodie. Um, let's just do this hoodie. Boom. Here we go. We're literally keeping it simple. Here we go. So that's the one. Okay. So it's $34.99. We can get an extra coupon on this for sure. We can get a gift card. What size is it? It's first of all, how fast does it sell? I mean, it sells decently, and price is pretty stable. It's size small. All right, so size small. We're going to add 5 to our cart. Okay. Here we go. Boom. Let's go into the checkout, and let's figure out. Yeah, I cannot ship outside of the US. It's fine. Um, let's figure out what coupon I can add on top of the. Oh, I have an extra 10% already. So I get these for $31.49. Um, let me figure out $31.99. Boom, is that it? $31.49. Actually cheaper than what I thought. Boom, $31.49. Here we go. All right. No, we can get gift cards. I think that's still. Let me see. Let me go here. Let's see if there are some coupons that we can stack. Extra 10%. We got it. Um, that's crazy. I don't think it was a clearance. But one thing for sure, it was not clearance. One thing for sure is that we can get some gift cards. So, card beer. Let's go on cardbeer.com. I'm not going to be able to. Oh, I can actually. Gap gift cards, 19.5. Here we go. We are cooking. 19.5. No more coupons here. Boom. Um, boom. So we get these at 25.39. Let me just double check. Boom. Here we go. Yeah, 19.5. We're good. We are cooking. So that means we get these at 25.39. All right. 25.39. We need to manufacture our margins a tiny bit more. So let's see. Can we get 20% off instead of 10 with a welcome coupon? Yes, we can. All right, so we can get a 20% coupon. That's how we're going to make this work. 20%, right? And wait, I messed it up. Here we go. 20%. Here we go. Boom, at $20. So the issue though is that we probably won't be able to actually use the 10% coupon, right? Or maybe we can because we can stack them up. If we can, that means we would get. Let's assume that we can't, right? So we get these at $34.99, right? Let's assume that we get these at $34.99. Boom, $34.99, $22.66. No, we are cooking. 22.66. Boom, here we go. 297 profit. Price is pretty stable. We are cooking just FBM. To be honest, if we FBM, we may be able to make way more profit. 15%. Here we go. We are cooking. That's a free product for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Like, look, I'm literally like, I'm not even like focusing, right? And we're able to find one product really, really fast. This is why you should get Arbitrage Stalker. Like, stop all those like BS sourcing method. That's the best sourcing method out there. Spoiled Child, let's see. Okay, we're just going to look at all the products from today. We have 5 other products to look at. And let's see if we can find this profitably. All right, extra collagen, boom. How much we get this for? We get this for, we can get a free trial, I guess. We get this at 44. I know like there are some coupons that you can use on this website. I know some of my friends source these. But wait. Is it the same? Wait, if it's the same, it's actually crazy. E27 extra strength, liquid collagen. Okay. Okay, let's check. Fuck, what size is it? That's the issue. What size? Ingredients. Yeah, for whatever reason, it doesn't tell us which size. Let's assume that it's the same size. If it is, if there are just one size, right? 4410. We're not sure. We need to dig onto this. But like, if it's the case, then I mean that's crazy. Yeah, if it's the case, then we're cooking on this, right? Yeah. If it's the same, then we are cooking. But I doubt it. Because it looks too good to be true. Let's go to the next one. So that's 1, 2. Let's look at this. Moose Much. We've seen those in the past, right? I think we did. 19. Nah, it's not the same. Yeah, that's not the same. Let's clean up the name. Holiday container. Boom. Here we go. Yeah, that's not the same. I mean, it could be a new packaging. I don't want to dig too deep into it, to be honest. I just want to keep it simple. To be honest, it could be this one. Is it £1? Yeah, no, it's not. I mean, it could be. I just don't want to dig into it, to be honest, too much. Coconut pecan, 2-pack. We need to get this too cheap, though. $3. Like, yeah, come on. Like 224 units. Yeah, that's not going to work. I mean, if you can sell at 11, yeah, it's too tight. Let's look at this one. Boom. Okay, so full price is 31. Is it worth it? It's not. Like, that's literally the full price. Price is too flat. I don't like that. And next one, last one. That would be good if this one is profitable. So we would have 2 profitable products today. 429 on Target. Let me put this here. 429. But we need a 2-pack. 429. Yeah, that's going to be. That's not really going to work from Target, though. We could make it work from another website. Let's see. 417. It's too tight. Well, the good news is we found one good profitable product. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.